Welcome back, fellow programmers. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Maximum sum of subarray using algorithm in C++ explained with code. In this video, we dive into the topic of finding the maximum sum of a subarray within an array using algorithmic techniques in C++. We explore an efficient approach utilizing the kadane algorithm along with the power of the algorithm library in C++. In this solution, the maximum sum function takes three integers a, b, and c as input. It uses the std max function from the E algorithm library to calculate the maximum sum among a plus b, a plus c, and b plus c. The maximum sum is then returned. In the main function, the user is prompted to enter three numbers, which are then stored in a, b, and c variables. The maximum sum function is called with these variables, and the result is printed as the maximum sum. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of the concept, and be equipped with the necessary knowledge to find the maximum sum of a subarray efficiently in C++. Join us on this coding journey and enhance your algorithmic skills. You can compile and run this code in a C++ compiler, and it will prompt you to enter the three numbers. After entering the numbers, it will display the maximum sum on the console. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on algorithms and programming in C++. Happy coding!